How to contact Zelle customer support. Are guys facing issues to contact customer support on Zelle app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. If you ever face issues with Zelle app, contacting customer support is simple. First, open the Zelle app on your mobile device. On the home screen, look for the menu icon or setting option. Scroll down and tap on Help or Customer Support. Here you will find FAQs and common troubleshooting steps. If you need direct assistance, select Contact Us. Zelle provides support through phone and sometimes email, depending on your bank integration. You can call the official Zelle support number or use the contact form inside the app. Always make sure you use the official app or website when reaching out to keep your account safe. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to contact customer support on Zelle app. If you guys have any issues regarding Zelle app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.